Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix a bad scan when mapping failed on your MOVA ViAX 500. This robot is equipped with a camera, and cameras need light to run properly. For first-time mapping, make sure there's enough light outside and your lawn is well lit. If lighting isn't the issue, clean the sensors properly with a microfiber cloth. Dry is okay, but preferably use a damp one or one soaked in isopropyl alcohol. Clean the camera from the front and the light sensor right here. If using water, use a dry cloth afterward to prevent smudges. If it didn't work, try restarting the robot. Set it to off, wait half a minute, set it to on, then press and hold the power button. If that didn't help, delete the old map in the app. Click the map list, then the delete map button, and try mapping again. If it still doesn't work, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Firmware Update, and check if an update is available. Install it if there is one. Also make sure your charging station is on a flat surface with at least 1 meter of obstacle-free space on both sides and the front. If all that failed, remove obstacles from the lawn and try factory resetting the robot. This deletes all data, but the most important data is the map, and if you can't create it, it doesn't matter. With the robot on, press and hold the start or stop button and the OK button at the same time for about 5 seconds until you hear resetting robot. Then reconnect it with the app. There's a video about that, and try mapping again. If you don't know how to map properly, you can also watch a video about it on the channel. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.